Hi, John here from Online Business Ambitions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with Bluehost Webmail. Now I also wrote a blog post about this, so if you're watching this on YouTube, you can read that by clicking on the link below this video. Alright, now that you know that, let's get started. Okay, so let's start off from the main Bluehost homepage, and from here I'm going to go over to Login. Go ahead and click on Login. And then I'm just going to type in my Bluehost username and password. So here we go with that. Alright, I've gone ahead and done that, and now I'm going to click on Submit. Okay, I've clicked on Submit, and this is taking me to my main Bluehost account page. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to Advanced. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And then from here, I'm going to scroll down to Email Accounts and click on that. All right, I went ahead and clicked on that. And now what I'm going to do is come on over here, and I'm actually going to create my email address. So I click on the Create button here. So I've gone ahead and clicked on that. And let's go ahead and create a new email address. So let's go do that. That's going to be my username, and now I'm going to create a password. Okay, I've gone ahead and do that, and now I'm just going to scroll down and click on Create. Okay, so I've gone ahead and done that, and now you can see here my new email address has been created. So let's go check email. I've gone ahead and clicked on the Check Email button. And this brings us over to where you can choose a default webmail application. So I'm going to use Horde because it's very simple to use. So let's go and click on that. All right, I went and clicked on that. And this brings us into our webmail client for Bluehost. And if you look around here, you'll see that this is quite simple and also quite similar, is what I'm trying to say. Quite similar to other email clients you might have seen. So for example, here we have the inbox, your drafts, your sent mail. You can create folders here. This is where your spam would end up, and this is where your trash would end up. So really, this is all I wanted to show you. I just wanted to make sure I could take you into the Bluehost Webmail client, and I'm sure you can take it from here. Okay, I'd also like to show you how to get back into webmail after you've created your new email address. So to do that, you will go to bluehost.com/webmail. So let's type that in. bluehost.com/webmail, and I'm going to hit enter. Okay, so that brings us into the Bluehost login screen, and notice we have webmail login selected. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the new email address that I just created. So let's go ahead and do that. And my password. Okay, I've gone ahead and done that, and now I'm going to click on Login. Okay, so now here we are again back at the choose a default webmail application, and once again I'm going to go into Horde, click on that, and there you go. We're back into the webmail client, similar as before. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you very much.